that for a lot of years growing up. We had
I don't think I said them this morning.
we had a blue and gold macaw, cockatoo,
Say hi, Princess.
yellow-nape parrot.
Say hi, Princess. Not a real good shot there, Princess.
Oh, yeah, sure. There, Dan.
Hopefully I don't got it upside down. There she is. There's Pooh Head. Princess Pooh Head.
Such a kick out of Lena. She poos once a day.
Oh, really?
In the morning.
Yeah.
Enough for
That's
3
it.
dogs.
That was Pixie.
That's it.
Yeah.
A couple hard ones.
Yeah.
Then she moves about 20 feet away.
Yeah.
A couple more, and then she lays a big old cow pile.
Yeah.
Say hi, dear.
She was either in the morning or at night. Didn't matter. There was no rhyme or reason.
You could probably let them two go. I think they'd be okay.
I don't think she can get out of one thing. I don't think that is.